a full cook kit and food storage for under $30. Hey everybody, this is Dan and welcome back to Backpacking Adventures. Today we're going to be talking about an entire cook kit and a food storage bag and bear hanging kit for under $30 for all of it. Now this is a full setup, and this includes a cook pot, a stove, a food bag, a spoon, a carabiner, and a line to hang your food bag. And I put links to all of these items in the description. First, I'm going to talk about the cook system. First thing I want to go over is the stove. This is the BRS 3000T stove. This is very light, it's made of titanium, and you can get these off of Amazon for about 12 bucks. It's very cheap, but it works very well. I used this for a very long time. It works very well. I know you may hear horror stories, but I've had no problems with this stove. It is a little loud when it's on, but other than that, this thing cooks great. This weighs less than an ounce. It's about 28 grams. And it does come with a stuff sack. I don't have that anymore, can't find it. And it boils about 16 ounces or 2 cups of water in just about 2 minutes, which is pretty standard with a lot of other stoves. Now the next thing is a cook pot. This cook pot is from Ozark Trail. It does have a handle. It's made of stainless steel. It will fit up to about 18 ounces of water. It's very durable, it's light, it can handle very high temperatures, and it's only costs about $4.95 at Walmart. Now, the next item is a spoon. This is also by Ozark Trail. This thing is very smooth, so it won't have food stick to it. It's long handles, you can get into those Mountain House meals. And best of all, it costs only 88 cents. Now, it's made of some kind of plastic, but because it's so cheap that if you break it, you can just buy a new one pretty cheap at any Walmart. And this thing weighs less than an ounce, so it's very lightweight. So the good thing about this is this can nest everything you have. So just to say you have a little towel or washcloth, fits a fuel canister right inside. You can also fit your stove, and of course you'll need a lighter. That all fits right inside. Now the next thing I want to talk about is this dry bag. This is made from Outdoor Products. You can pick this up at Walmart or off of Amazon. This is a 20-liter bag. This thing is perfect for your food. It'll hold up to 7 days of food easy. This thing is huge. It's waterproof. It's pretty durable. This item costs about $5.97 from Walmart. It is very cheap. Now with your food bag, you're gonna have to be able to hang it at night. So with that, you can get this Paracord. You can also get this at Walmart. This is 50 feet of Paracord. Now I chose the fluorescent orange because it's just easier to see when you're in the woods, trust me. You don't need to use Paracord. You can use any line that you have as long as it's going to be strong enough to hold your food and your cook kit and anything that's smellable, and is about 50 feet, because when you hang your bear bag, of course, you want it on a tree branch around 20 to 25 feet from the ground, so you're going to need about 50 feet of line. The next thing is the carabiner, because you want to be able to hook your line to your food bag as you draw it up into the tree. This was a pack of 2 and it cost $2.87. You can always use an extra carabiner somewhere to hook your camp shoes to your pack or whatever. So these are always handy, and it's very cheap. So the cost of this entire cook kit is $26.75. And I'm going to tell you, it's worth it. I've used a lot of this gear. The only gear that I haven't used was the food bag, but I can tell you this thing is durable and it's going to last a long time. The cook kit nests within itself. The spoon is good quality. It's going to last you for a long time, provided you take care of it. And most importantly, it's very inexpensive. Now, when I do budget gear videos, I do get some comments from time to time saying, wow, that's really expensive, or that's really not budget. So to put it into perspective, this is my Toaks titanium cook pot. It's 750 milliliters. It holds about the same as the Ozark Trail cook pot. And this thing costs $35. So I just wanted to put that into perspective, that the entire food kit I just went over today costs almost $10 less than just this cook pot. So let me know what budget ideas you have for a cook kit in the comments below. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.